Hi, my name is Siti and Fadhillah Binti Johari, and my metric number is 101078. Information and Communication Technology (ICT) has widespread role in modern life, affecting how people live, work, and communicate. It emphasizes that ICT's impact on different sectors, including communication, e-commerce, education, and healthcare, as well as its potential to bridge the digital gap between urban and rural areas. The project emphasizes the role of ICT in economic development, campaigning on major problems in education. It also analyzed the increasing prevalence of ICT in everyday life, notably in schooling, and predicts that it will remain an essential ability.
Hello, my name is Maizatul Balqis Binti Mazeni and my matrix number is 99573, and today I will explain about flowchart. Flowchart is a visual representation of a program using symbols to depict every steps and decision that involve in programming. Using flowchart provides a clear understanding of a logical flow in a program and system. There are 5 components in flowchart. Number 1 is start or end, and second, process, and the third, input or output, and the fourth, decision yes or no, and the last one is connectors or arrows. So these are the flowchart for our project, and the first picture we show there are already complete 5 components. There are ovals, rectangle, parallelogram, and diamonds, and also arrows. So it start with the oval shape, which is start, and then process, display menu option, and input, enter new student record name, matrix number, and marks. After that, process, continue with diamonds, check file exists or not. If no, it shows no record message. Then loop again to the process, which is display record. If it's yes, the output is with display record. After displaying the new record, the process next is to modify student's record. If the student record not exists, the message will show ID not found. If it exists, the program will update student details. The next process is if the student ID can search or not. If it's not exists, the show not found message will show. And if it exists, this display detail will show. After displaying details, the student ID can choose to delete or not. If not, show delete failed message. With yes, read file and search for ID. After reading file and search for ID, the student record will be deleted, and the end is the symbol as an oval, shows end of this program.
Hello and hi, my name is Raudah Masitah Binti Razali and my metric number is 100849. In this part, I'm gonna present pseudocode for our project. Pseudocode is a way to plan out computer program using plain language rather than specific programming language. Pseudocode will start with begin. Firstly, the program will display a menu option for the user. The menu option based on 6 choices, which is 1. Enter new student record, 2. Display student record, 3. Modify student record, 4. Search student record, and 5. Delete student record, and the last one is 6. Exit. If the user choose option 1, which is enter student new record, this option will allow user to input and store information for a new student. If the user choose option 1, the system will prompt the user to enter a name, matriculation number, mark for C++, district math, cognitive science, cognitive psychology, basic programming, and a grade for the student. Next, if the user choose option 2, which is display student record, the program will display a table of student record if it's available. Option 3 will allow user to modify student record. In this option, user need to input metric number of the student that they want to modify. In this case, if the student metric number found, then the existing data will modify. Otherwise, the program will write to the file that existing. But in other case, if the student metric number not found, then the program will display metric number of student not found. Next, for the option 4, which is search student record, that will let the user to search for a student record based on their metric number. Option 5, which is delete student record. That will allow the user to delete a student record based on their metric number. The last option, which is exit, will let the user to exit the program. After each operation, if the user clicked enter, the program will return to a main menu and the pseudocode will stop with end.
Hi, my name is Augustine Jimbat, anak, the metric number 8315. Today I'm gonna present about testing and evaluation. Okay, for the first step is we compile and run the code. The user can enter option 1 for new student record. We enter the name of the student. And we enter the overall grade from the student. Press N for no. And for the option 2 is to display student record. And we can see that we enter before Peter. Next is for modify student record. Press option 3 and then we enter any student with the correct metric number. And then for the option 4 is for search student record. Press option 4. Then we enter metric number of the student that we want to search. Then the student record will display, as you can see. And then for the fifth option is delete student record. Press option 5 and then we enter metric number of the student record they want to delete, and we will set successfully delete data and then press option 6 for exit, and that's all.
I found it really tough at first to comprehend programming-related concepts. However, I make an effort to adjust so that I can recognize something new as a piece of information. In addition, my teammates persisted in helping me comprehend each and every C++ idea. I had no prior programming experience, thus I was unable to learn C++ without the help of a groupmate. I was unaware of C++ when I first enrolled in the basic programming course. However, that doesn't mean I can learn anything new outside of my field of expertise. I was eager to learn about the new C++ symbol in class every day, and eventually I started to feel that this was one of my favorite subjects. I have acquired a great deal of new information from this subject, which has opened my thinking. In this instance, I would like to thank the lecturer for being kind and understanding, as well as my classmates for being kind. Despite my initial dislike of the subject, after studying it for a few months, I felt that it had a significant impact on my life. This is due to the fact that not everyone can learn this subject, and I'm appreciative that I have the chance to. In the future, hopefully I will get the chance to study fundamental programming. I enjoy venturing into uncharted territory